So not to waste time, let us analyze crude oil in detail. And I got for you crude oil daily chart ready, marked with all major support and resistance. And whoever familiar with crude oil chart, you would be knowing we were stuck in this tight range for quite some time. And finally, we had a breakout in July, few months back. And from there, there has been no look back. And the last trading day, yesterday, we made an all-time high of 91.26. So what next? How we are going to approach next week trade? So let us look at it on a different time frame and with some indicators which I have marked in a different chart. Let's jump. So normally Fridays used to be full of action pack, and this Friday was no much different. We were able to see some good movement in crude oil in the evening section. So if you look at Friday movement, we started the journey from here, exactly here, $90, because these two candles were the only one we got some bearishness, and from here on we prolonged that bullish run, and reached almost 91.10 in the morning section. So from the morning section we made almost $1 journey, from where we stopped on Thursday, and from there on it shows some sluggishness, and in the evening we had this big fall, which took market towards 89.20, and in MT5 it was around 88.60, I believe, because there is a difference in price between investing or trading your chart. So anyway, never mind. Here we had this big fall, and my perspective, it was some sort of profit booking by Asian market, because 6:30, 7:30 is the time where American and European market open. So before that, they make sure their profits are booked, and they took the money off the table. So what happened here? A lot of people caught up in this middle. They thought it's a big sell, because even it's penetrated the CPR. So below the CPR, some people would have taken position below this pivot, or below this lower CPR, and have put a stop loss here, and they all lost money in a matter of time. In a while, speculators jump in and they bought the market, and they took market to where it were earlier, and even made a all-time high by end of the day, or by closing, I would call it, let's say midnight. So on Monday, if the market opens again back at the same level where it closed, let's say 91.20, we can expect a quick resistance, immediate resistance at 91.40. And if it respect this resistance and reverse from here, we can expect a range bound market on Monday. So range bound market in the sense we got a correction and have a support right now at 89.20. So 89.20 to 91.21 $1, it could be a range bound market. And if you get a chance to buy at these levels, let's say 89.74. This is a very good opportunity, and you could make if you buy 89.74, we can expect crude to jump back to 90.35 in a matter of time. These are places where we can book quick profits, so make utilize the situation. And if you get a chance to buy here with the small stop losses. Okay, for example, if it falls to 89.20, you can buy with a small stop loss below 88.60 or 88.50. And I'm telling you, it can give you, it can reward you in a big way. It can just pull back, market can make some sudden pullbacks and give you good profit. So try your luck, and we will analyze crude oil on a Fibonacci chart. We'll jump onto that one, so that we will get a better picture, better idea on levels. So let's conclude this section by analyzing this Fibonacci chart, and I have for you 5 hours time frame mark with Fibonacci from 77.60 till 91.23, which is all-time high now, and we have upside targets intact, which is 94, which I already explained on daily chart. And if crude continue this bull run, 100% it's going to take 94, which is a major resistance, and this could happen by end of this month. But meantime, if crude makes a reversal or a correction, because there are some signs like inventory was on a higher side, and summer is over in America, so the consumption would be on a lower side, plus COVID is spreading alarmingly high in UK. So some catalyst, this or the other, if it happens, crude can come back, and this is the area where crude would surely test 84.41. This could be tested anytime, anytime if there's a major bad news. So let's be watchful of this area, which is 83.80 in MT5, because 83.80, all of you know, like 83 was a major resistance during past few months. So this is where we can expect crude, and this is a place where we can get into crude. Like if you get an opportunity to buy in this area like 83.80 or 84, buy and hold, because crude is going to test 100 in the near future. It could be end of the, by end of this year, like December, it could test 100, but for sure it's going to test 100. So these are the places where we can get into and book profit time to time and make some good money. So I wish you all a good luck.